Less than 12 months old, this stunning family home exudes quality, style and sophistication. Sprawling over 360 square metres and providing a modern, on-trend feel with timber-look floor tiles and neutral colour palette throughout. Cook in style from the stone kitchen with quality appliances and walk-in pantry, all while interacting with family or guests in the open-plan living area that opens through sliding stacker doors onto the covered alfresco deck. A separate media room plus designated children's retreat create a further 2 living spaces, and all 4 bedrooms are of generous proportion. Backing onto Nature Reserve, the level 1,044 square metre block is one of the largest within the estate and allows plenty of room for a pool, scope for caravan or boat parking, or simply a great space for your kids and pets to play. North Sapphire Beach Estate has fast become one of the premier locations to live within the Coffs Harbour region. Residents enjoy unspoilt beaches, nature walks, the popular Beachstone Cafe and Children's Park, all of which are easily accessible via family-friendly concrete walkways. This is a wonderful lifestyle opportunity on the northern beaches of Coffs Harbour, and we highly recommend inspection to appreciate all that's on offer. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Real Estate, Coffs Harbour.